Greetings, South Georgia Fig family. We're bringing you guys tonight's video from inside of our 20 foot by 10 foot by 7 foot high tonal greenhouse. It's our very first official video for 2022 grow season from inside of our high tonal greenhouse. As you guys can see, we've begun to move out the majority of our fig trees onto the inside of our high tonal greenhouse, and that's because fall has made its way here, and we've had some unusually low temperatures for this time of the year, although it is the fall season here in Growth Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. We've had some unusually low temperatures. We don't usually see temperatures as low as what we're seeing right now until around the last week of October every year, and it's around the first week of October here, and we're already seeing temperatures down around 50 here in our grow area. And the majority of our fig trees, especially our potted fig trees here at South Georgia Figs here, we grow in containers, and we don't like for our fig trees that we're growing in containers that we sell at our nursery to go into dormancy during the fall and winter months. So we bring them inside of our high tonal greenhouse. And we brought them in again because these temperatures have begun to swing wildly from the 90s down to the 50s, and it's just crazy here. We don't want our fig trees to get confused here, so we brought them inside our greenhouse here. As you can see, they're all on these racks back here, and they're all looking vibrant and green back here in our high tonal greenhouse. But the feature of this night's video is one of our now, I think, around 90-day-old Columbaro fig trees that we rooted during our rooting 70 fig trees in water grow experiment here around 3 months ago. That fig tree, I think, is located down here in this white container here. I'm going to grab this container if I can and bring it out into the light and give you guys a look at what our now 90-day-old Columbaro fig tree is looking like here. As you guys can see, the very first leaf that came out had some weird growth type things going on here. But as you can see, the more mature leaves towards the top, taking on that classic shape. Pretty green foliage. We have it growing here in this 1 gallon container, and at this point, around 90 days old, our Columbaro fig tree that we rooted during our rooting 70 fig trees in water grow experiment is looking fantastic here in our high tonal greenhouse. Again, this is around day 90, and that brings the majority of these fig trees you see here in this back row on this shelf to around the day 90 stage. And as you can see, we have fig trees of all different sizes back here. That's because some of our fig trees of various varieties propagated for us earlier than others, and you can tell by the size and the growth rate of these fig trees which ones propagated first and which ones were late to propagate, such as this one here, that one there. But again, our Columbaro fig tree, and I'll briefly look at a few of our other fig trees that we've already moved into our high tonal greenhouse in preparation for the fall and winter months and the approaching cold weather here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching. And if you find yourself watching this video and you're not already subscribed to South Georgia Figs, please take a moment to press the subscribe button beneath this video, the like button, the notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Thanks for watching.